Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Just now I actually made a Muar style Assam fish. So I make extra burnt chili paste. Yeah, not exactly burnt but char. So if you want to know how to make this chili paste, very fragrant chili paste, you can refer back to my Muar Assam fish video. I will put the link in the description. Okay, so the moment when we have the burnt chili paste, now we just need some few prawns and you can make the very famous Sambal prawn from Muar also. Yeah, so the secret here is actually the burnt chili paste. Okay, so get yourself a hand blender here. Put in the chili. If you're using dried chili, you probably need about at least 15 or 20 pieces of rehydrated dried chili. Today, by the way, what I'm using here is definitely more than what I need to use for today. Usually when I make chili paste, I will make extra chili paste so that I can keep in my fridge. This is the belacan powder. This is optional actually. If you don't have the belacan, also can, no problem. A little bit of salt. Sometime take note, if I use my salt is actually in a rectangular box like this. My sugar is actually in a yellow bottle like this, right? So sometimes I may say it wrongly. Sometimes it is salt, I say sugar. When it is sugar, I say salt. So you just remember to memorize my my bottles, yeah, my containers. Always use different containers. I never really put different wrong thing before. The only thing is I said wrongly. Okay, then, oh, have I put sugar? Let's put a bit of sugar to tone it down. And I'm going to add some oil to ease the blending process. Add a bit of water as well, also to ease the blending process, but not too much water, just a bit. Again, all the equipment that I use, I'll be putting inside in a description box so that you know where to get them. Too many people asking Appa every day. Okay, it doesn't need to be too fine. We want this kind of consistency. Less than 1 minute. So the next step is the most important step, which is to saute the chili. You can put more oil on this, no problem. Now you can on the heat. And this is actually the soul of this particular dish here, where you will want to saute the chili until it is a little bit charred. Okay, you can just use medium heated oil to slowly saute this until the color really gets darkened. And you need to non-stop keep on stirring. Let me on my hood. Oh, very fragrant. Keep on stirring. This process may take you a couple of minutes at least. You don't really need to add anything. If you sense it's too dry, you can add more oil, that's all. we already added in the belacan, the salt and also sugar. So saute this for 5 to 10 minutes depending. We will come back shortly. So let's fry out the prawn. Give it a bit of oil. Raise the heat to medium high. We will come back shortly when this is heated up. So once the wok is heated up, you can actually put in the prawn. I'm going to give it a bit of light soya sauce. A little bit of dark soya sauce as well. Dark soya sauce, sorry. About 1 teaspoon. More for the color. So basically, most of the prawn, the cooking time should not more than 3 to 5 minutes maximum. If not, you're going to spoil the texture of the prawn itself. And you notice I'm not putting in the sambal too early because the sambal is already burnt. I mean already charred. So if you put it too early, it will really burn. A bit dry here, you either give it a bit of oil or I'm going to add in some Shaoxing wine. A little bit dry, give it a bit of oil as well. Okay, now I'm going to put in the burnt chili paste. About 2 big tablespoons. Let's give a little bit of salt and a little bit of sugar. Give it some final stir and it's basically done. Ooh, smells really good. A bit of burnt chili smell, yeah? But like I mentioned earlier, it may it says burn, but it's not really burnt. It's charred. Done. I'm going to dish it out. Okay, I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of fresh coriander on top. Okay, done. I have some extra burnt chili paste just now. I can actually eat it with rice. Just top it out on rice. Okay, so I hope you like my video. If you like my very simple video, just click like and follow button on my Facebook fan page and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel and my Instagram. Thank you very much. Bye bye.